good, gang? You know what time it is. Let's get right into it, bro. We're in that Kuba motion, you know. I don't know. A lot of people have been going crazy, dog, about this sound. So we're just gonna shout out a young tutorial about it. You know, let's cook it, bro. Let's cook it. Some drums. The triplets. You gotta add the triplets. I feel like 90% of this needs to be triplets. Hold on, I'm still triplets. Okay, yeah. Cause like the main important thing here is just the groove of it. You know what I mean? You gotta make sure that you have the groove of it. Cause a lot of people recognize, oh, based on the groove, yeah, that's a Koopa type beat. And to be honest, bro, a Koopa type beat isn't even a Koopa type beat, bro. Honestly, cause if you think about it, a Koopa type beat is just a slowed down drill beat, bro. And I realized this after like one day I was just making a drill beat and I was like, if I slowed this down, this would actually be almost identical to a Koopa type beat. I'll add myself. Let me add myself. And then you do a part 2 for variation. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I just switched the notes with it. I switched the notes with a chord. Technically, this is supposed to be here. Okay, nobody cares about theory. Okay, whatever. I'll stop explaining. Hey. I think all that is bass. Let me get some melody. Too big, bro. Just mad at that statement. Now, I'm changing the color here because I don't want it to bleed to the next sound. You know what I mean? I don't want the slide to bleed to the next sound. So that's going to be independent. Damn, I missed. I missed. I forgot it's up one. Yeah, let's. It's too high and that it's too high, bro. Okay, let's mix it. Let's mix it. Let's mix it. If you're making music, mixing is not that important. But if you want to like produce and make your own music and like release it to streaming platforms and whatnot, bro, by all means mix your music. If you're gonna like, I don't know what's wrong with this, bro, but if you want to make a Koopa type beat, you need like 10 808s. Honestly, let me get a CTM. If you're making beats for yourself and you're chilling, just do whatever you want. But if you're trying to send out stuff to people, gotta be very careful what you do, especially when it comes to intros. Because intros are not recommended when sending out music. Try to avoid having intros. It doesn't mean that your intro is bad. It just means that, like, studio situation, you do not have time to be listening, bro, to the 30-second intro, bro. You're just trying to work, you're trying to get into it. You know what I mean? So just come in raw, no rubber. Pause. That's about it, bro. Like that's how, if Koopa asked me for beats, that's what I would do. And like his style is pretty fun, bro. Like his beats are pretty fun, bro. Like experimental shit, just do whatever you want. You know what I mean? Just get like whatever comes in your brain, just lace it down, bro. The thing is though, you gotta develop your ear. I feel like that's something that a lot of people don't talk about. But as a producer, you gotta develop your ear. You gotta be able to hear stuff that sounds good. Don't just do random stuff. Obviously, in the beginning, you're not really gonna hear that much, but just get into the habit of hearing things and then lacing them down. And I wanna do like small segments where I just talk about random stuff. And maybe you can just ask questions in the comments, and then I'll just talk about it in the next video. But bro, if you have an idea you want to execute or anything that you want to do, this is gonna sound very controversial, but turn off your brain. Turn off your brain and just do it, bro. Honestly, don't even think about it. Just do it. Because what I've noticed is that whenever I have an idea and I think about it for a long time, I see how it's gonna work. I see the process. I see how I'm gonna get to that point. And then I think about it more, and then my brain just, I don't know what my brain does, but I end up not doing it. So what I've noticed is that if I just don't think about anything at all and just focus on what I want to do, I end up doing it. But if you're a person who wants to achieve insane things like greatness and shit like that, turn off your brain and get to working. Turn off your brain and get to working, bro. That's all I have to say. I'll see y'all boys. See you in the next one. Shout out.